After this video, you will know how to meditate to achieve a more peaceful, relaxed, focused, and happier mind. What's good, guys? I am Kami from Martial Arts and Fitness Lifestyle, and I'm back with another video about meditation. So how do you meditate? So to practice meditation is training yourself to be able to sit still in silence without getting distracted by your thoughts or your emotions. So just being able to sit still in one place and not want to be anywhere else or doing anything else, and to be able to sit in silence. So that means not feeding into your thoughts or getting distracted by your thoughts. To be able to just sit still in silence, focusing on the different sounds around you, the sound of your breath, and the feeling of your breath in the middle of your chest or your stomach. So yeah, we're gonna do a quick meditation exercise together. It shouldn't take any more than about 5 minutes. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna find somewhere nice and quiet where we won't be distracted or disturbed by anybody. That could be your bedroom. That's where I usually meditate. Then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna sit in a comfortable position with our back up straight and our feet on the floor. And we're gonna take 3 deep breaths in through our nose and out through our mouth. And on the final breath, we're gonna gently close our eyes. We're just gonna settle into the space around us, and we're just gonna relax. We're gonna sit as still as possible, not wanting to be anywhere else or doing anything else right now. We're just gonna focus on the exercise. We're gonna start by noticing the sensations in our body from head to toe. We're gonna notice the feeling of our feet on the floor, our hands, and our back resting on the wall or wherever we're sitting right now. And we're just gonna sit like that, as still as possible. Then we're going to begin to notice the different sounds around us. That could be the cars outside. That could be anything. The sound of people talking downstairs. Then we're going to begin to notice the sound of our breath. Then we're going to start to notice the feeling of our breath. So that can be in the middle of your chest or your stomach. Just focus on that rising, falling sensation. Don't worry, you will get distracted. You will get distracted by your thoughts. It's perfectly normal. But each time you get distracted, just come back to your exercise. Come back to the feeling of the sensations in your body, the feeling of your feet on the floor, your back resting against the wall, your hands resting on your legs or on the ground, the sounds around you, sound of your breath, feeling of your breath. When we're doing this exercise, you don't have to try too hard to notice the different sounds, feeling of your breath. You're just simply just relaxing, almost like you're asleep but you're awake. That's all you're doing. You're not trying too hard. You will do it automatically. You're just being aware of it. And then we're gently gonna open our eyes and we're gonna notice how we feel. How much better we feel right now. How much more peaceful our mind feels. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the exercise and I hope you're feeling a bit better now after doing the exercise. Hope you're feeling a bit more relaxed, more at ease and just happier in general. So the question is, how would we actually apply meditation in everyday life? So what is doing this exercise, what is meditating gonna actually do for me in terms of my improving my mental health and making me feel happier and better each day? So it's actually quite simple. So meditation trains your mind to focus on what you're doing and not to get distracted by your thoughts and your emotions. So when you're practicing meditation, each time you notice that your mind is getting distracted by your thoughts and you're feeling overwhelmed by your emotions, coming back to the exercise, coming back to the feeling of your breath, the sounds around you, the feeling of your body, the sensations in your body, the feeling of your hands and your feet. Over time, that will get easier and easier and easier. So, you know, when you're out and about with your friends or you're doing something around the house, cooking, going for a walk, etc., you have trained your mind to come back to what you're doing each time that you notice that you're getting distracted by your thoughts and your emotions. You're doing it subconsciously. You don't even realize you're doing it. I'm meditating right now as I'm making this video. So that's how meditation works. Basically, trains your mind to come back to what you're doing each time you get distracted by your thoughts and your emotions. So yeah, please share this video with anyone you know that is currently struggling with their mental health. Comment down below any questions you might have about meditation. I will be making more videos about meditation, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Share, like, and yeah, have a great day. As I said, even if you just practice this exercise for just 5 minutes a day, over time you will see a massive improvement in your happiness, your well-being, and your mental health. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace and love.